Bold and the Beautiful spoilers tease that next week's episode will see the secrets exposed, confessions, and a fierce war. Don't miss any of the latest episodes. Of course, some recent plot twists have changed the film. Some absurd scenes have caused the writers of B&B to receive a lot of criticism. In fact, 2 sizzling storylines continue to be central with tension building daily. Meanwhile, Finn is standing between the 2 most important women in his life, his mother in Sheila, and Finn's newly-wed Steffy. Too bad for Finn because both of these women see each other as rivals. In the near future, they will have a fierce conflict that B&B has revealed before. Their most recent confrontation was physical, but Finn was able to stop the scuffle in time. Finn is the most awkward of all 3 characters. It was Sheila who put him in this situation. Despite all the dire warnings about Sheila, Finn still wants to connect with his mother. He's now having a headache, thinking about his choice. Will Finn make the right decision? The arrival of Sheila puts Finn and Steffy's marriage in trouble, both of whom disagree. This led them to seek advice from outsiders. Finn quickly found a close friend to confide in. He told Hope, while Steffy leaned on Liam as they spent time with Kelly. According to the latest revelation we have, this weekend, Sheila meets a new friend who provides some information to help her get closer to Finn. It's easy to see who that new friend is. We're sure it's Paris. She's also living in Finn and Steffy's house, so the information about Finn will be very accurate, but this means that Paris is putting the Steffy family in danger. This week, Ridge will ask Justin to investigate Quinn and Carter's relationship. This request for Justin was easy. He quickly discovered Carter was catching hot scenes in Carter's bed. Neither of them knew they were being watched. Justin was quick to reveal this information to Ridge. When he learned that Quinn was betraying his father, Ridge took action against Quinn. Ridge finds Quinn disgusted because she's betrayed Eric again and slept with Carter. Will she stand there and take on Ridge's fury, or will she blurt out what's really going on? Meanwhile, Eric has shared with Katie that he has erectile dysfunction. Katie knows Eric's state well, but she advises him to reveal everything. People will help him find a solution instead of acting on his own. Their relationship grows stronger as she vows to help Eric with his medical problems. But when Carter and Quinn were discovered, Eric was forced to confess all his plans. He didn't want Quinn to get hurt. Ridge had previously announced Quinn and Carter's betrayal. But Eric said that he already knew it all, and it was also Eric's arrangement. Even so, Ridge did not want this to happen. He was furious when Eric made this decision. Brooke and Ridge will blame Carter and Quinn for taking advantage of Eric's inability to perform in the bedroom. Eric will still protect Quinn. This caused Ridge to explode, and he went to Carter to question him.